So now what we can do, we could block in, start blocking in with or suggesting, right? Suggesting always with using the flat pencil like this, a long taper point, flat, use flat, and we can block in maybe here the volume of the scapula, the volume of the rib cage here, right? This, right? The volume of the latissimus, maybe the volume of the serratus a little bit here like this, right? And then here the costal arch, right? This is gonna be the abdomen, the navel is gonna be somewhere here, belly, and then we can block in here the erectus spinae, and this is the iliac crest. This is the gluteus maximus. We'll have a change of angle, a change of profile from here to here, right? This is now the hamstring that developed the ball. And what we can do now, we can take the red pencil and with this carve out more details, right? We want things to be, see that here? This is the scapula, therefore this moves like this, and this come forward, I mean to the side, and this from behind is gonna be now the erectus spinae muscle. From here I had the rib cage coming down like this, right? And this is the erectus spinae, right? And this disappears behind this portion of the hips, right? This is now the gluteus maximus, right? Tendon of the bicep, peak of the quadricep. This is the belly here like this, right? The deltoid, bicep here, tricep.